Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change locations on Bumble. Now let's begin. Initially open the Bumble app on your mobile device. Then after the Bumble app is opened, let's go on to our profile. From our profile, we need to move on to our settings that we will find on the top right corner. Let's click on it. Well, now there are lots of options here. You can choose modes, snooze, incognito mode, auto spotlight, and now the main focus of this video, current location. You can find it under the location tab. Simply click on this current location and a pop-up will open saying to get travel ready and to use travel mode. Let's select travel mode right now. Now just enter any place that you're traveling to. For instance, I'm traveling to New York. Let's select New York. Well guys, this is simply how you change your location on Bumble, but to remember that changing your location is a Bumble Pro feature, so you can only change your location after you have subscribed to Bumble. Well, that's it for the video guys. Hope you liked the video. For more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.